ask them if they want to get the smaller one. They can order online.
And then we need a picture of the full set. I don't know if we'll sell any, but
You'd be surprised.
yeah, I'd rather. I mean, I guess I can, if we have the iPad there, the big one, I can pull it up and show them.
Just make sure they don't walk away with the iPad.
Well, no, we got the iPad at the register.
You can using terminal.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Terminals. Then check out and then show them the iPad with the
and then we
the
can
iPad.
But we had to make a special deal.
But okay, so I'm gonna tell you now, Dom, Mika can't do acrylic.
But they can't do velvety well either.
So
and Mika, thank God, is doing her own nails with the gel extension, so she knows how to do that. But I bet you Dom doesn't know how to do that either.
Dom,
what does Dom do on her nails when she does her long nails? I thought they were acrylic.
Press on.
Is she doing press ons on her?
She doing the design on press on and she put it on her.
That's crazy.
But then you'll be pissed because someone will do better than you with all the different acrylic and stuff. So Lily doesn't know how to do acrylic, but Lily know how to dip.
Yeah, they don't know how to dip either.
She can go in the show and teach them how to do dip.
I know.
Lily
won't go with us, so.
Lily, make sure the nails are big, baby.
Yeah, well. But they can't do sales. They can't do sales.
Sales online and sale in person is totally different.
They don't know how to ring out. They don't know how to do sales. They don't even know how to sell when they're doing a demo. It's like, just have me come over. I'll grab all the stuff. And then I can talk to them for a minute and figure out what else you're using. But they don't even call us over.
They just want them to be a theme.
Isabel was the best for that. But then she kind of just wanted to help them after she did the demo. I'm like, no, you have to go do a demo again. You get it all closed out before you're done.
Okay, done, babe.